Hello and welcome. New viewers, if you've not been here before, you're clicking on here for the first time, hello. And old viewers returning, welcome back. So when I first started my YouTube back in 2012, it was just a platform to host some of the videos I made growing up as a kid throughout the 90s. But as time has moved on, I found the content that I'm putting out to you guys has changed dramatically. Classic tech, vintage electronics and classic cars. One of which is behind me, my daily 1979 Austin Allegro George. There's more of him on my channel, please check that out. In the meantime, I think the channel needed a bit of a rebrand. So with that in mind, welcome back if you've been here before. New viewers, welcome to the channel. My name's Alex and this is All Things Alex. There's a lot of vinyl going on. It is quite hot in here, guys.